Hello awesome people! This is going to be an amazing day. Here, we want to present chapter 4, the nature of insurance, and this is the topic. This is the definition of insurance. So, what is the benefit and function of insurance?
There are three functions of insurance. The first one is primary function of insurance. The primary function of insurance is to act as a risk transfer mechanism. Insurance acts as a risk transfer mechanism where the insured, in exchange for protection, pays a sum of premium to the insured and transfer the responsibility of loss or damage to the insurer.
After that, secondary function of insurance. Release funds otherwise tied up in reserve. With insurance, business enterprises and individuals do not have to freeze their capital to provide financial protection against losses. The fund release would be available for investment. Second, reduce fear and worry. Insurance provides peace of mind to business enterprise and individual by removing fear and worries of losses. The removal of fear and worry helps to establish confidence and enable forward planning for economic activities. Third, reduce losses. Insurance help to reduce losses both in frequency and severity through their action and recommendation in risk assessment activities. Encourage saving. In addition to protection, insurance acts as a means of committed and systematic saving due to payment of regular premiums. The insured will get the lump sum amount at the maturity of the policy contract. Offer social benefits. The people of the society were exposed to a number of personal risks due to their lifestyle. Insurance is considered as an effective measure to minimize their social problems. Stimulate business enterprise. Many business enterprises could not have started without transferring many of their risks to the insurer.
I will continue with indirect function of insurance. Three types that involve are investment of fund, invisible export, source of employment. The first point is investment of funds. The common pool accumulate large funds with insurer hold as custodian and they will invest this fund in the public and private sector to earn profit. Second is invisible export. Insurance can be commercialized as necessary service by providing protection and ease of mind toward the insured party. This kind of service is improving day by day to provide more benefit to the people while gaining profit thus affect the economy positively. Lastly, source of employment. The insurance industry in Malaysia has created various categories of employment opportunity. People who work in insurance company can market their product in many ways such as using social media and use less traditional way of promoting it through direct selling in this new norm.
There are benefits of insurance. First is protection for you and your family. Second, it reduces stress during difficult times. Third, you can enjoy financial security. Fourth, you can have peace of mind. And last but not least, a legacy to leave behind. In conclusion, insurance is very important in life. People need insurance because there are many functions and benefits that insurance can get from it. The insurance provides security against risk and uncertainty. Also, insurance can give a protection to family and ourselves.